and today we are talking ancient cacao rituals. Hello friends and welcome. My name is Jules Aron and I'm your holistic wellness coach and plant-based author. And today we are talking ancient cacao rituals. Produced from the cacao tree native to Central and South America, chocolate has been revered and enjoyed for the last 4,000 years. That's right. In fact, the earliest known consumption can be traced back to all the way to 1100 BC. At that early stage, it was most likely that the sweet pulp of the fruit was used to ferment into an alcoholic beverage. The word itself derived from the word chocolat, meaning bitter water in Aztec, but it was the earlier Mesoamerican civilizations, such as the Olmecs, the Zapotecs, and the Mayans, that began using the cacao seed, as we know now, by fermenting, roasting, and grounding them into a paste that was then mixed with either water or wine, and mixed with ground maize and flavorings such as chili peppers, honey, and vanilla. As we now know, many shamanic traditions teach that plants have a much higher level of consciousness, and by imbibing them, we have access to these expanded states of awareness. Similarly, the Mayans and the Aztecs believed that cacao was a gift from the gods, and that drinking the cacao would gain them divine wisdom. Many of these ceremonies involved groups sitting in sacred circles, taking prayer, setting intentions, and often ending in dance, which activated the cacao in your body and created transformation. If you are interested in trying a ritual at home, I would start by bringing awareness to the process of making your cacao drink using all of your senses. Notice the sound of the pouring water. Feel the warmth of the cup. Take in the rich smell. Before taking your first sip, bring the cup to your heart center and set an intention. And then with every sip, think of something you're grateful for. If you have extra time, set aside a few extra minutes to move or shake your body as the warm liquid takes effect. And to end your ritual, journal for 5 minutes to describe your experience.